Recording stories from another day. Hands that build with steady care left a legacy still standing there. Echoes drift through open doors, footsteps from forgotten shores. Dreams once shaped with quiet grace still linger in this sacred space. The mission stands through time and change, a quiet voice across the range. Build with heart, build with hands, a part of a life that still expands. Dusty beams and chapel light keep their vigil through the night. Every stone and every line holds a purpose, pure design. Raised from earth and shaped with will, its gentle presence standing still. What was built with love and trust turns to wisdom long after dusk. The mission stands through time and change, a quiet voice